In this video, I'll show you how to join the Skool affiliate program and get paid for referring people to create or join Skool communities. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Skool website at skool.com. Once the website opens, create a Skool account. To do this, click the Login button in the top right corner, then click on Sign Up for Free from the pop-up window. Now enter your first name, last name, email address, and a strong password. After entering all the details, click on the Sign Up button. Skool will send a verification code to your email address. Enter it into the provided field to complete the verification process. Next, upload a profile photo and add a short bio to complete your profile setup. Once your account is created, scroll to the bottom of the website, look for the affiliates option, and click on it. Now, click on the Become an Affiliate button. You'll now be taken to the affiliate dashboard where you can view your commissions, earnings, and referral activity. And the best part is, you don't need to fill out a separate application form like many other affiliate programs require. Here you'll find your unique affiliate links. You can share your referral link with others and invite them to create or join Skool communities. When someone signs up through your link and meets the program requirements, you can earn commissions. And that's it. You now know how to join the Skool affiliate program and start earning by inviting people to Skool communities. Thanks for watching.